What if walls were no longer silent? What if every surface around you, no matter its shape, became a story waiting to be told? Not a screen, not just a display, but an experience that breathes. In an era where creativity is measured by boldness, it's no longer enough to present your idea. You have to surround people with it, amaze them, and make them part of it. Here is where the transformation begins. Welcome to a world where spaces turn into living realms and light becomes a language. This is MadMapper, not just software, but a tool that redefines visual reality. Imagine standing in front of an ordinary building. No soul, no story. Then, with a single click, you reshape it entirely. Windows start moving, walls begin to breathe, colors pulse with life, and a story unfolds on every corner. This is not imagination. This is what you can do today. MadMapper gives you the power to project your creativity onto any surface. Buildings, stages, objects, even the smallest things you never thought could become a display. No limits to shape, no limits to ideas. Whether you're a visual artist, a content creator, an event organizer, or simply someone looking for an unconventional way to present a project, you don't need a massive team. You don't need complex equipment. All you need is a vision. And with MadMapper, that vision becomes reality. An intuitive interface with incredibly deep capabilities. You can control every detail, from light distribution to sound interaction to synchronizing visuals with music, and even creating interactive experiences where the audience doesn't just watch, they participate. Imagine a show that changes with the movement of the crowd, or a wall that responds to sound, or a stage that transforms every second into a new scene. This is not just a visual display, this is a complete world created by you. With the built-in tools inside MadMapper, you can work faster, with precision, and complete creative freedom. Professional projection mapping, real-time lighting control, multi-device support, and seamless integration of multiple video sources. All of it in one environment. But the real power is not in the tools. It's in what they allow you to create. Because MadMapper doesn't just give you features, it opens the door to a new dimension of expression. A world where you can turn a simple presentation into an unforgettable experience. A world where you become the director, the engineer, and the artist all at once. Have you ever imagined showcasing your work on the facade of a massive building? Or transforming a concert into a breathtaking visual experience? Or even surprising your audience in a small show with unexpected creativity? With MadMapper, this is not a distant dream. It's just one step away. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, you'll find everything designed to serve your vision. No complexity to hold you back, no limits to stop you. Just start. Start with a simple idea and let it grow. Start with a small experiment and watch it turn into a full experience. Start now, because creativity doesn't wait. And in a world full of content, the real difference is how you present your idea. Not what you say, but how you make others feel it. And that's where MadMapper comes in. To make them not just watch, but live the experience. To make light speak, spaces transform, and moments stay forever. MadMapper, not just a projection tool. It's your gateway to a world without limits of imagination.